Hello from one of the top Google Ads management companies around the globe. Just to let you know that I'm Ali Raza and I'm leading one of the Google partner company based in Dubai, UAE, and helping clients from the last 18 years with Google Ads management service. So in case if you ever plan to run your ads on Google, we are one of the best companies to run your ads on. And I'm going to show you a few of the case studies. Okay, these are just a few of the case studies you can even find on my YouTube channel. Apart from this, there are many case stories we have not yet shared, but we are helping clients with our professional Google Ads PPC program. And if you want to opt for our Google Ads management program, we can help you with Performance Max, shopping campaigns, Google Ads, search campaign, retargeting, YouTube ads, conversion tracking, Google policy compliance, and fraud click detection. As a Google partner, what happens is we worked a lot on fraud click detection. We have a 160 plus points checklist to ensure your compliance and optimization of your Google Ads so that you can save the maximum amount of money. Your CPC is low, your quality score is optimized, everything is working on your account, and a strong eye on your competitors to see what they are doing and how we can stay ahead from your competitors. And not only this, we also help clients with regular Google updates. We know what's the Google algorithm is and how to fight with it to give you the best one. We also look around for your auction insights, search terms, regular optimizations, and we offer a variety of range of services of Google Ads management services. So we have dedicated plans, one-time setups, monthly management to help you in your spending. We also have Google Ads digital approvals programs, special audits programs, local service ad suspensions, and a lot of services. And we provide you with the Google Ads management, and we help you clients with the Google Ads accounts. Plus, we help you with Google Ads spending. So in case if you need our help and you want us to manage even the billing, and we pay on your behalf, we also have a pay as you go program. We manage your spend. We provide Google Ads plus billing plus anti-fraud click management, and ads are being run with us, and we help even clients with the policy compliance. We have been working around in this field from the last 18 years or so, and I have a full-fledged team of Google Ads professionals with me who are going to assist you in making your project a successful one. And for the clients we have been working around, we also help and assist them with WordPress development, Shopify development, website development. We also help clients with email marketing. We also help clients with Meta ads, Bing ads, TikTok ads, and LinkedIn ads. So we help clients with Google Business Profile, Local Service Ads, and integration of all of these to make it a successful retargeting campaign as well. So in case if you want a company who can help you in going deep with your conversion tracking, analyzing your audience, their behavior, heat map analysis, and to make your website and your company a successful one, we are going to help you. So yeah, we can help you as a Google partner. We are going to make you win, and you make a lot of money, and that is how we are going to sustain our sustainability. So yeah, we are here to help you in optimizing your Google Ads. We are here to help you in reducing your CPC cost. We are here to help you in optimizing your quality score. We are here to help you in optimizing your conversion tracking, audience insights, and we are here to help you to make more money and spend less on Google Ads through us. So we look forward working with you. Anyone needs a professional PPC management service, we should be your top-notch company for professional Google Ads PPC management, Bing ads, Meta ads, TikTok ads. So we look forward working with you, and been helping around with more millions of ad spend in every month. We are looking to increase and looking forward in working with all of you. So yeah, in case if you want our services, just let us know through the comments or hi to our website, which is mentioned in the description of this video, for your Google Ads needs. So yeah, as a Google Ads partner, we are going to help you. So yeah, look forward in working with you.